Aywa. What's that the meaning, Sir Felix? Ako in town, may asawa. Abas. Alright, we have Sir Gilbert Ligan. Congratulations.
Kawin din, kawin.
Receive a medal and a cash prize. So with our third placer. Congratulations, Gilbert. And our third placer, still from Iowa, of Gindolman, wearing race bib number 401. Congratulations, Sir Pio Amparado.
Ay, sa sir. Partida crank tandanga. Nay, asa mag-crank paano ba? Okay, sayang ko ah. Crank. Ano ito? Abo to na ibot. Ulitin.
Congratulations, Sir Amparado. You will receive a cash and medal.
Partida, tanggal pa yung ano, tanggal pa pero na-port pa din.
Award. Alright, congratulations. And our second placer, all the way from Talibon, Bohol,
Roger Torion.
And by the way, I would like to acknowledge now the presence of our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ernestine Baha, and also our Municipal Councilor. We have Honorable Zena Salazar. And we also have here earlier Honorable Laura Minnesota. Ang sweet notes na nasa plaza. Alright, so our second placer, all the way from Talibon, Bohol, wearing race bib number 408. Congratulations, Gleserio Torion. Photo off. Ni-appeal po gagapon sa fun run, sir. Wow, thank you so much for participating. Hired mention. And our first placer under 38 to 49 category, all the way from Sagbayan, Bohol, wearing race bib number 402. Congratulations, Roberto Saniel. I would also like to acknowledge our SK Federated President. We have Honorable Alfie Bersanina. Alright, congratulations to our winners. And at this time, ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion for 38 to 49 category. Ang amahan pod sa na-champion sa ito ang 37 below category. All the way from Lapu-Lapu City. Congratulations, Sir Donkey Sanchez. Mag-ama.
Pinapot ang premyo. Idol!
Congratulations, everyone. Up next will be our 50 up category.
Golden.
Our fourth placer. Wow, all the way from Kinalachuan, Duero. We have Antonio Beronio. Congratulations. Ang picture sa daitanan ko no, picture sa katong 38 to 49. Dapat may grand entrance si Beronio.
Masalit baso.
Alright, once again, ato ang palakpakan, ang ato ang fourth placer sa 50 up category, we have Antonio Beronio of Duero. Ato katunga, sir, ato katunga nila guys. Still from Iowa team, ako in town, way asawa. Ha? Money founder, mau lagi. Alright, our third placer we have, still from Iowa team of Hagna, wearing race bib number 507. Congratulations, Sir Seth Neil Shabo. Libre na ko na tagkapitanan. Sponsored by Boss Macchiato. Ah, diba? Libre nagkapi, sir. Abas. Ah, diba? Punto ng premyo. Alright, our second placer all the way from Sagbayan, Bohol. Race bib number 502. Congratulations, Sir Bobby Mongol. Sir Bongnol. Hopefully next year na agyapon ka. Alright, so ato ang first placer. We have from Alicia Bohol, race bib number 500. Congratulations, so Bert Aguilar. Membro gyapon sa Ako in Town Way Asawa team. Once again, daghan kayo salamat sa tuwang mga barangay tanod, sa tanang marshal, sa tuwang uniform personnel, sa tanang nagtigo. Daghan kayong salamat. And our grand champion, ang Iron Man sa ato Andera Mountain Bike Competition Season 2. And this is actually the first time no, nga 50 up, ipa-round Duero. Congratulations to our champion. From Ormoc Leyte, 505 race bib number, congratulations, Hernana Kapuguasan. Nag-bike rin siya tabok dagat. Kayo ang ato ang mga racers no kay instead nga ma-envy sila sa achievement sa uban, malipay sila sa pagtan-aw sa ilang mga kauban nga nanaog. Atong palakpakan ang ato ang mga kaugalingon. Mao nay nakanindot sa ingani nga sport.